Yo, what's up guys, it's Mystic, and if your Stremio is buffering, spinning, or lagging, stop calling your internet provider because your internet is fine. The problem is you are streaming from a public connection, and today I'm showing you the premium lane that fixes this instantly. Now, quick disclaimer, we are strictly using this tool to optimize network speeds for public domain content. We do not condone piracy, and everything shown today is legal to watch. Now let's get right into it. Alright guys, so for the first thing we have to do is get to this website right here, which is Real-Debrid, and it's basically a tool that will allow you to be in that premium lane that I was telling you about. That's going to give you a high-speed server with quality files instead of a slow random connection. And then as you can see, they have 4 different plans, cheapest one being around $3.50, and even the most expensive one give you 180 days for around $4 a month. And this is right here where you'll see how many days you have left. So if I refresh mine, look, I now have 30 days, and this is going to be how many days I have left of my subscription. But anyway, once you do that, you are going to need your API token. So we're going to go to My Devices, and right here, this API private token is what you're actually going to need for the next step. And this is how your devices are actually going to speak to each other. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, and then I'll see you guys in the next step. Alright, so for this step, we got to go to this configuration page right here. And now that we have the configuration page, we need to make sure we could connect our high-speed engine to our Stremio app. So we could use this configuration utility called Torrentio. Now, we aren't here to mess with the provider settings. We are simply syncing our API key that we just got from Real-Debrid to authorize the premium connection. So I'm going to go ahead and paste mine in here. And then once we do that, we're just going to hit install, and then that is it. Now, once you hit install, it's going to ask you if you want to open up Stremio, which we do. That's how they're going to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and boom, it should take you to the page right here. Now, when it pops up, it's going to ask you to basically install the add-on. You don't need to configure it anymore. We already did with our API token, and then that is it. So once it's installed, we went ahead to our Fire Stick, and then let's go ahead and test it out. So we're going to go to our app right here, and then once we do load it up, let me go ahead and type in a public domain movie. So one that has publicly available for everyone and is legal to stream, just to show as an example, because this is for educational purposes only. I'm going to show you. Look right here. If you focus on this section, it's going to have Torrentio RD, which is the Real-Debrid. So right here, you see how it has RD plus. That's how we know we're in our premium lane. And it even has 4K. So we know that we're getting a premium lane, and it's going to be optimized for our speed. So I'm gonna click on it, and boom, there we go. And just like that, the buffering is now gone. So you guys could click on any 4K link and it will load instantly, because you are now on a premium server instead of a slow public one. So now if this fixed your movie night, definitely hit that like button. And if you guys want to know how you can have everything tracked across all your movies on all your devices, definitely check out my video that I have right here. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.